Good morning, student. I am Professor Gargya Avari, and today I am going to tell you about one of your subject in the first year, that is computer programming. We can concentrate on this particular session basically on the what exactly computer programming means and why it is included in your syllabus, especially in the syllabus of the first year. See, today's era is the era of computer. You can all aware about how computer can impact on our life. Every aspect of our life that was covered, that was concerned somewhere by computer. And it is not possible for you anybody else to ignore it nowadays, because everywhere we can see computer. Computers are everywhere, and we knew that without computer it is not possible for our life. Suppose if you want to consider computer, without computer, what will be our life? So my simple question to you is, think about your life without mobile. Is it possible? Even now you are watching the video using what? Your mobile phone, right? Because due to reason of pandemic, corona, all our education system is now converted on the computer. It is now computer based. And so today we are also communicate with each other with the help of computer. So there are so many branches. Maybe you entered in the mechanical engineering, civil engineering, electronics and telecommunication engineering, IT engineering, CSE, computer science and engineering. So why there is a requirement of a computer programming? So my simple question is to you that if you want to take example of any one branch, say mechanical, say automobile, say chemical, computer and IT, no problem, even electronics. So in everywhere there is some software. On that particular software we can work. So being a student of any branch, it is essential to everybody else that to learn computer, that to know the basic concept regarding the computers. If you don't know the basic concept regarding the computers, it is not possible for anybody else to cope up with that syllabus, right? Because when you are talking about the mechanical engineering, now CAD/CAM, CATIA are the softwares are there. Automobile designing, how it possible today? On software. If you go through civil engineering, there are so many softwares are available. If you want to know the architectural line, there are so many softwares regarding that one. Even in your desktop publishing, a revolutionary change has been carried out in that particular field. Now, don't need to paint by hands. Even with using mouse, you can draw a wonderful picture. You can give so many effects just on your one click. right? So there is no requirement to learn that particular thing. Image processing softwares are available there. And due to that, so many effects you can give. Even many applications or apps you can download in your telephones where you can take your picture and even see after 40 years how you look like, or in engage how you look like, and we can enjoy it. Sometimes it's a funny stuff with each other, but anything can be possible with the computer. Afterwards, if you want to know what exactly the basic use regarding the healthcare and human life concern with the use of computers. Now see, there are various equipments nowadays in hospitals. Even due to corona, you can check your pulse, you can check your oxygen level, right? So whatever may be the machines that are available, these all nothing but we can call it as computers. There is some programming regarding that one. And for that purpose, this basic computer programming subject that include in your syllabus. What we are going to learn in this subject particularly? It was a very clear in your syllabus that history of computer, number systems that you are going to use in the computers, and generations of computers. What are the different types of computers we are going to use in our day-to-day life, or different type of computers available in world. And then we are going to learn one language. That language is nothing but a C language. C is a procedure-oriented language. And in the year 1972, it was invented by the man Denis Ritchie, the great person who also contributed in the operating system like Unix. He was a core member who wrote the program of the Unix operating system. He is one of the member of that team. This language was established in the year 1972. See, 1972. But till date, in 2021, now, the existence of this language is in the field of computers. And we can say that, yes, this language is a basic building block of today's computer programming. So, question may be also arise in your mind. Sir, why this C language? I would like to learn advanced language more than C language. And yes, there are so many languages are available there. But why this old language you put in the syllabus? Right? Question may be arise in your mind. The simple answer is that nowadays it is possible that you can ride a bike. All girls especially, you can ride a scooty like vehicle, motorized section, right? Scooter section. So my first and foremost question to everybody else: on which vehicle or the very first vehicle that you ride in your life, And the answer is bicycle. Right? The answer is bicycle. Because in the very early stage, it may be possible it's a tricycle that time. No tricycle, four tires, two attachments available to with that bicycle to balance yourself. And afterwards, after some expertise you got in that one, your parent may be remove that balancing wheels and you are able to ride a two-tire bicycle. Now, while riding the bike or while riding the scooter, the confidence that you have now, that you gained or got from that bicycle, is it true or not? Right? So that confidence you got from where? From that particular bicycle. So after bicycle, you maybe ride scooter, without gear vehicle, then with gear vehicles, and maybe in future, or maybe some student can even drive four wheels. Okay. But even while driving the four wheels, the same confidence that you got from where? From that bicycle. So, simple concept is there. A very first language that brings a revolution, very first language that definitely changed the definition of computer language was C. And still, C language has its own advantages and it is still survive. Like other languages, C is not vanished. C is not vanished. C is still exist. And for that purpose, we are going to learn C language. You maybe know, basically we are Maharashtrian, so our mother tongue is Marathi. So when you would like to talk in Hindi, what we can do? We can do translation process. Okay? So we translate a particular sentence from our mother tongue to particular that language and then we talk. And it happened in a very it happened in very few seconds. It is in your mind. And once your practice get faster and faster day by day, so you got fluency over that language. It may be Hindi, it may be English, whatever may be the language you are going to learn. But your first language is your mother tongue. And then translation process is going on for any language to talk, to communicate, to deal with. Similar is the process in the computer programming. When you learn a preliminary primary C-like language, which is a procedure-oriented language. Why it is procedure-oriented language? So we have to follow one procedure particularly in that language. The details definitely we will go through that one while discussing the syllabus, while go through that particular lectures. So once you learn a particular language, then it is easy to shift to other language. It is easy to understand the aspects. It is easy to understand the concept. Because when you are talking about the language is nothing but what? The set of alphabets, the set of numbers, set of special symbols, and the combinations of these three become a constant, variable, and keywords. And with the combinations of these three, we can able to write instructions. Number of instructions become the program, and number of program become the software. So it is a journey, but it initiates with what? It initiates with your ABCD up to Z, capital, small, number 0 to 9, special symbols, whatever may be the symbols on your keyboard, hash, dollar sign, comma, full stop, inverted comma, single quotation mark, double quotation mark, whatever it may be. So it is as easy as to just type something else. But when in the flow of programming, there is some requirement of logic. And in my point of view, every person has its logical ability. It doesn't matter. Nature is just so kind. Almighty God is so kind. Everybody has its own logical ability. And that logical ability proves how much good programmer you will become. Because there are so many solutions of the same thing. There are so many problems. Maybe you go through our honorable principal's speech. What is the definition of engineer? Engineer is a problem solver. So problems are there, and there are so many solutions. In the field of software, in the field of programming language, if you are able to give the optimal solution to anything else, that is very important. If I am able to do a particular task, or I am able to write a program of a particular task with the 100 lines of instruction, and the same thing, if it is possible for me to write with only 25 lines, which is the optimal program? Which is the optimal solution? The 25 lines program, right? So, aspects of that particular language, computer programming language, so that we are going to learn. So, there are different statements, loops, pointers, arrays, file structure, structures, union. So many content of the syllabus are there. We don't go through it in this particular lecture. But pointer is one of the beautiful concept and beauty of C language. Because once you clear, or once you aware or having hand on pointers, definitely it is my promise to you all that yes, you have a good programming future in the field of computers then. It is a very good concept, and we have a very introductory part of that one. If you want to go through it, you have to personally develop your programming skills regarding the pointers. But really, that concept really gives you a detailed visualization, how memory can access, and all these things. So this is a syllabus part. C student, we have to learn syllabus with two aspects. First of all, we have to gain the knowledge regarding the syllabus. Because in my particular class, I will give you the information. Whatever I give you now, that information once you can adapt, and that information adapt by your mind, that will be implemented in day-to-day life or somewhere, that particular thing can be converted into knowledge. Because raw information you can implement it with your experiences to somewhere else. That means that you are now knowledgeable regarding that one. Okay. And programming, while we're talking about the programming really a fun one. You can enjoy it in a very proper way. It is like puzzle. So those student who wants to solve the puzzles or enjoy to solve the puzzles can happily learn this subject with very good healthy environment. So I expect cooperation from your side also, because programming language, it is easy concept, not so much hard, and an interesting one. And why it is in your syllabus? So one again, I would like to put my thought on that particular thing. You can see many of your cousins, sister, brothers, elder ones may be working with the IT industry, computer industry. Maybe he belong to civil engineering but working in software, mechanical but working in software, electronics working in software. Sir, what is this going on? They belong to a different branch but still they are working with the computers. So computer is essential for you, everybody else, because it is, if you are interested in the programming or the computer languages, it is another avenue for your career. Means maybe you are in the mechanical, but if you have an interest regarding the computers, definitely you have also opportunity to seek job in the computer field. You are in the civil engineering, but you have opportunity to seek job in the field of computers. You are in the electronics, you are electronics branch, but still you have an opportunity to seek job in the computer field. So anyone can go to computer field. It doesn't matter. And especially uh, people like different, means they belongs to different branches, they come and join the field of computers, although they belong to a different branches, but there is no issue. So that is also another avenue in your life career of engineering, that is field of computer. So this subject, it is in your syllabus. So definitely we will go through it and we will see it in a detail.